just before we close down, at the clock, 38 minutes past midnight. More showers are on the way tomorrow. If you don't get to bed just yet, we've got independent local radio throughout the night. There's BR&B in Birmingham, Beacon, Leicester Sound, which is now Capital Radio in Birmingham and Leicester. Now the time is now approaching. We'll leave you with a special note at Closedown now, with the song Pretty Girl Rock, which is about Stella Price and the pub manager. And I'll bid you farewell and good night from ATV, and a very good night to you. Good night.